Hey everyone, James Smith here, and today I've got something truly groundbreaking to share with you. Introducing the AI Ninja Kit, the world's first and most newbie-friendly technology that opens the door to over 200 passive income streams using the power of artificial intelligence. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced marketer, this game-changing toolset lets you tap into 200-plus business-boosting AI tools that will skyrocket your business growth in the most cost-effective manner possible. But that's not all. If you grab the AI Ninja Kit through the link in the description, I've prepared some fantastic bonuses exclusively for you. These bonuses are designed to complement and enhance your AI-powered journey, giving you an extra edge in achieving your business goals. To get started, simply log into the AI Ninja Kit platform, where your business growth is about to receive a powerful boost. Bid farewell to laborious tasks as the AI takes over and streamlines your operations with unmatched efficiency. Once inside, you're immediately exposed to a world of possibilities, where you can say goodbye to tedious manual work and welcome a new era of efficiency and effectiveness. Harness the immense potential of the 200-plus AI-based tools at your disposal. Craft compelling sales pages using proven techniques like IDA, attention, interest, desire, action, and 6W strategies to captivate your audience and drive conversions. Leverage the AI's prowess to create persuasive product reviews, captivating social media posts, and irresistible Upwork proposals, all without breaking a sweat. Prepare to reap the rewards as your business achieves unparalleled growth. The AI Ninja Kit's formidable toolkit enables you to witness a torrent of sales pouring in effortlessly, all while freeing up your time to focus on strategic decision-making. Sit back and witness the magic unfold, as the AI handles the heavy lifting on your behalf. But that's not all. The AI Ninja Kit offers a plethora of AI-driven tasks to simplify your business endeavors further. Embrace the power of a complete marketing kit, designed to elevate your marketing efforts to new heights. Grab attention with clickbait headlines generated in mere seconds. Showcase your expertise through professionally crafted video courses that leave a lasting impact on your audience. Announce your product launches with flair and sophistication using AI-generated press releases. Enhance your SEO strategy with long-tail keywords, handpicked by the AI for maximum visibility. Keep your social media presence engaging and consistent with the AI Ninja Kit's content ideas and 7-day scheduling capabilities. So don't miss out on this golden opportunity to revolutionize your online ventures.